video is going to walk you through how to find hot niches for print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand is often also called pod, P-O-D. The goal of today's video is to share some hot pod niches and why you should consider focusing on these for your online business. First of all, we'll talk about what pod products are if you're not familiar with them. Then we'll look at 3 popular pod niches that I recommend trying out. Print-on-demand products are essentially affordable products that are personalized. They're easy to create. They require little startup cost. You're not actually sort of printing the t-shirts yourself. You're simply making a design, uploading it to a pod manufacturer, and then when a customer orders something, the pod manufacturer will print that design on the t-shirt or the handbag, whatever it is, and then ship the product off to the customer. So it takes a lot of the work off of your shoulders. You're basically just creating a design and uploading it, and then everything else is taken care of by the pod manufacturer, especially if you're selling these through like an Etsy shop that integrates directly with your pod manufacturer. They take care of essentially everything beyond you creating the design and uploading it. Okay, they really are perfect for creators that are looking to pivot to new niches as they become popular. It's quick and easy to put up and take down designs so that you can kind of go with the market and the trends. Let's take a look at 3 hot products that I recommend right now for pod. The first one is kitchen items. So this can be things like kitchen towels, aprons, stickers, like the stickers that you can put on storage containers specifically are really popular, oven mitts, essentially any item in your kitchen. Why sell kitchen items? These guys are items that really can help turn a profit. So especially if they're personalized, you're able to set a reasonably high price point for these. So on each item, you're making a pretty big profit. You could consider personalizing towels or aprons, listing them in your Etsy store, and then partnering with that pod manufacturer that's going to fulfill your orders for you. Here's an example of an Etsy seller who offers a personalized kitchen apron. You can select the color, you can personalize the printed text. It's really good as a gift for home cooks or even home like barbecuers. So I could imagine this as a great like Father's Day gift. The process takes 2 to 3 weeks to complete. So the customer comes on Etsy, fills out all the personalization details on the listing on Etsy, and then those are sent over to the pod manufacturer and they take care of all of the rest, the printing and the shipping. The second hot niche that I want to look at is digital wall art. Obviously, everyone likes to have artwork on the walls in their house, and digital art is a really affordable way that people can get what they want in the size that fits in their room. For this niche specifically, there's a few pod suppliers that I recommend partnering with outside of just sort of like Printful that you normally hear about for other products. Some of these even offer framing as well. So the 2 that we're going to look at is Saatchi Art and ArtPal. And the reason that I selected these 2 is they're able to provide really high resolution, high quality prints, and it's not just on paper. They offer canvas and other materials as well. So Saatchi Art is known for their really high quality pod artwork. They have a lot of different forms and sizes that you can choose from, and it's a really good platform for people that want to sell original pieces of art as well. The best part is that it is free, so you can create an account here on saatchiart.com for free and start selling your work. The second one that I want to highlight is ArtPal. ArtPal is an online art gallery, and it allows buyers to purchase both original and pod art items. Again, it's fantastic for artists because it's free. You can come on and start listing your artwork. There's no membership or commission fees, so it's perfect for new as well as established artists to get on and sell their work. The third hot niche that I want to look at is reusable water bottles. The market for reusable water bottles is seriously booming, and there are definitely high growth expectations for the future. In 2020, the market for reusable water bottles was over $8 billion, and it's expected to grow by 4% every year. So this is one that has good future growth potential. I definitely recommend people look into getting on this now. Eco-friendly products are popular. We know There's a lot of garbage here on the planet, and as people are becoming more educated and interested in sort of environmental waste and eco-friendly things, water bottles are just going to keep gaining traction. One great pod manufacturer to check out if you are interested in doing reusable water bottles is Gooten, Gooten, Gooten.com. They're a pod company that partners with different brands for sustainable products. They use non-toxic ink, eco-friendly materials. Those are definitely things that you could include in a listing to appeal to this audience type. For more tips and tricks, details, recommendations for different pod manufacturers and niches, please check out my Easy Personalized Pod Guide. It has step-by-step worksheets. It comes with templates. It's got everything you need to create beautiful pod products in popular niches. It's really great for people who want to create pod products but maybe don't know where to start, people who want to learn more about pod and branch out into pod or printable markets, beginners. We've got tons of stuff for you. More advanced pod creators, the templates are going to be great. Please check out Easy Personalized Pod on my website, amyharrop.com.